Hey Laura, there's a couple of different ways to do the indentation, but if you're going to use Google Docs for most or all of your work, it's actually really simple. So if you go to your works cited here, just highlight everything. Highlight all of your citations. And then Google Docs, the way that they do it is they have you just manipulating the ruler here at the top. So for now, I'm just going to drag this whole thing over to the 0.5-inch indentation, and that moves everything. But then if you just drag, see where if you hover your mouse over that top little horizontal bar, it'll take you where you can pull it back to where it says 0. And what that's doing is it's just giving you the 0.5-inch hanging indent for your citations. I see that you're in here also. So this video will just explain to you like what I was doing when you were there. So let me know if that helps and if you have any other questions.